Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Today we're making banana bread. Um, the temperature you start at is 350 degrees. Start your ovens. And you're going to bake this for between 50 to 65 minutes, depending on your particular oven. Um, I'm not putting walnuts in it. Normally I do, but I don't have any. So, which is good for people who have nut allergies. This is not, this doesn't have any in it. Okay, let's get started, people. We have 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. It took 50 seconds on my microwave to melt it this far. Then we're going to take one egg, crack this egg, and give it a little whip just to get it kind of started. Okay, dump that in there. We got our bananas, which are really overly ripe, which is fine. Doesn't really matter. Just get them in there. They don't have to be pretty, and these pretty much aren't. They're pretty ugly. Ugly bananas. But they've been sitting around for a while, and I looked at them today and said, well, you better make that before the freaking fruit flies come. Okay, so we got our bananas in there. And we're going to take that fork that we used for our eggs. I'm going to mush this up a little bit. Probably could use a potato masher. You could use your hands too. I should have did it with my hands. But we're going to get this mushed as best as we possibly can. Since I wasn't prepared correctly and I wasn't thinking forward, it happens. This is Tony, you know. We just do things half backwards, which is fine. You can leave it lumpy. It doesn't really matter. Nothing's perfect in this world. And this could just have extra banana in certain spots. Maybe. I don't know. I think it depends on, personally, I think it depends on how much you mix it. All right. There's that. Hold on one second, please. I had to grab a rag for my hands. And, okay, the next ingredient is a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Just sprinkle it around. It'll get absorbed. A little bit of salt. I do not measure too much. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There's my measurements. I'm perfectly measured. And then we have 3/4 cup of sugar. We're going to mix that. Let's see it start to come together. Yes, it's looking beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to have snacky snacks for after lunch. It's a beautiful day today. It's going to hit probably 70 something, I'm hoping. It's beautiful out. It's nice and sunny. Okay, that's close enough. Now we got where are you? 1.5 cups of flour. I don't know why it's not on my list. Here it is. It's on my list. And just dump it in at will. A little at a time till you get it all incorporated. You can use a mixer if you want to. I normally don't use a mixer on anything. I use my hands. I don't know why. It's not laziness. It's just, why bother when you can do it by your hands, I guess. There, that's getting good. I'll dump the rest of it in because I can. It's going to be tough, but we can get it. It'll get going. And if it seems to be a little bit too thick for you, throw another egg in. I'm going to see how this turns out. I used a large egg, so it should be fine. And it won't hurt if you use another egg. It won't hurt nothing. Just don't increase any of the other ingredients, please. you know, don't do that. All right. It's coming together really good. Nice. Now I'm going to take, I put cinnamon in mine. All I do is put a little bit. Nothing big. See? A little dash. Watch the dash if it come up. Whoop, well, that's more than I wanted. Whoopsie. It don't matter. It all goes in the same spot. Just as long as you distribute it well. It smells really good though. This is going to be very, 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 very yummy. And I have a regular cake pan that I got. And I've already buttered it. And try to get it so it's not lumpy and you don't have any extras on the bottom. That's why I use a regular glass bowl, because you can see what's not mixed pretty well. Now that looks pretty good. Okay. Get my bread pan. And we're going to dump it into the bread pan. And like I said, you start 350 and you cook it for, I don't know, on my stove would probably be 55 minutes. And do it in the morning if it's going to be hot today. This is morning. Do it in the morning. You don't want to be sweating yourself out of the kitchen. Granted, it's still going to taste good. I'm getting there, guys. Enough. I'm just going to spread it around. Get this off the side because that'll burn. And it comes to probably maybe halfway up your bread pan, or a third up. But it's quite a bit. But I used two bananas. You can use one if you don't like it banana-y, but I like bananas. And that's that. Now I'm going to put this in my oven at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. And if I pause this and it don't come back, I will have a picture of the finished product though. Okay, so there's your bananas. If you want walnuts in it, put it while you're mixing. Put your walnuts in. Use about a half a cup. Walnuts, pecans, whatever you like. Okay, so this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Tell the truth, shame devil. Peace out. And hopefully I can come back to this video. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm back. It actually took me 35 minutes. So just watch it after I'd say 30. Okay, I could smell it. That's how I knew it was done. I'm going to flip it out. It's a little bit dark. So I probably could have did it at 30 minutes. But as you can see, there's your banana bread. It smells excellent. And I'm going to eat that in a minute or two. All right, people. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is Tony from Tony's Cabin. And Sammy the Wonder Dog is going to have some banana bread too. And it's Tell the Truth, Shame Devil. Peace out. Bye now.